Yeah, so finally we are going to Lonavala, and this is me, and I'm taking Varun along with me to Lonavala, and he's slightly busy. The weather was really very good, and it was really very foggy outside, so I just enjoyed this kind of weather, and yeah. At this point, we were in Khalapur and we were having kanda bhaji and moong dal ke pakode with some chai. And this place is really very beautiful. You guys should check it out. And this is Varun. I don't know hiding why. And overall, it's a really good place. Then we again started our journey after having some breakfast. And the Khalapur is really very good place to go for breakfast because they are having many variety of options in which you can choose from. And see the weather outside, guys. It's like really very foggy, and I just love this kind of weather. And I was just sitting and smiling to the weather. It was really very beautiful, as you can see.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
So guys, I just had my lunch. It's 2 p.m. in the afternoon, and for lunch I had roti and chicken, but unfortunately I can't shoot that. But I'll give you guys little room tour so that you can understand how your stay is gonna be if you're planning to stay in Meritus Adore. And talking about my experience, overall it's a really good resort. Actually, I booked it for around about 4,800, in which 4,200 was the charges for the room and 600 rupees were the taxes. So I think it is a budget resort which you can book for an weekend plan. And I'll just give you guys my room tour, and it's really very beautiful. And if you want to see that, please stay tuned. The rooms are very beautiful. This is the entrance to my room, and here we are having one mirror, and here we are having some kind of sitting arrangement like a sofa, and here also we are having a desk, and this is a wardrobe, and this is a mirror, and this is me. And this is the bed. Here we have a TV, and here also there is a decent view. As you can see, we can see some greenery, some trees. So overall it's a decent view. Can't say best, but yeah, it's a decent view. Then there is a painting, there is a television, and here is the washroom. We have a washroom over here, as you can see.
So, guys, as you can see, this is the entrance for the resort. As you can see, there is all over greenery, and it is really very beautiful. And this is the area where they have provided space for parking, and it is also very spacious, as you can see, because lot of vehicles are like parked over here. Moving forward to the reception area, as you can see, there is a reception area over here, and also they have made like good sitting arrangement for visitors. So there are 3 rooms over here, as you can see. Then moving forward to the lawn area. Now you guys will see really the magic of resort. It is really very beautiful, guys. Just have a look, guys. Like, if you are planning for staying over here, then you have made a right decision. It is really very pretty and beautiful. So over here the kids were playing actually. Then actually the resort is like a villa. There are small villas, so it is not a normal resort like a building. It is really very beautiful. So they are having this open kind of restaurant over here, and the food is really very tasty. Then see this, guys. It is really very awesome and breathtaking. There are two pools basically. One is for kids and another one is for adults. The kids one is like 2 feet and for adults it's 4 feet, so it is really good. If you are planning a vacation with your kids as well, you can carry them with you. Actually till 7 p.m. the pool is closed, so you can't swim at that time. They have certain restrictions and it is actually good. Then let me take you guys to the most interesting part in Meritus Adore. This is pool. I played pool lot when I was there at the resort. Then moving forward is the play zone. Here we have like many games. You can choose whatever you want. You can play carom, then chess, ludo, table tennis, whatever you want. It is really very awesome. So finally this was the day when we were going to check out, and we had this breakfast which was complimentary. In the breakfast we had like parathas, sandwiches, idli, and I took one piece of cake. And as you can see, there are two juices. The juices were also very tasty.
Hey guys, so finally it's my last day into this resort and just enjoyed how the trip was totally. And this was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing my channel. So with that being said, this is your host Gautami signing off for the day. Thank you so much guys. Love you. Bye bye.